question is 25 and we are subtracting 17 from 25. As you can observe, the numbers in the ones place are 5 and 7. The numbers in the ones place are 5 and 7. Now from 5 you cannot subtract 7, right? Can you? From 5 can you subtract 7? It is not possible, right? For this kind of sums we have to learn about regrouping of the numbers. Regrouping of the numbers means we have to regroup the tens and ones place values. Suppose the number is 35 ones. This we have seen across the addition. We will write 3 tens plus 5 ones, right? We will write 35 ones as 3 tens and 5 ones. But if you want to subtract 17 from 35, you have to do the regrouping. What I will do? I will reduce 1 tens. That is 10 I will reduce. So 3 before is 2 and this 5 will be 15. The 10 what I have reduced in the tens place is added to the ones place. The 10 which I have reduced from the tens place is added to the tens place, ones place. So the number becomes 2 tens plus 15 ones. Now I can subtract 17 from that. Means we will write 35 minus 17. What we are doing, we are regrouping the tens and ones place. We will write 2 instead of 3. That means 10 we have shifted to the ones place. And 5 becomes 15 as we done the regrouping. So now we can subtract 15 minus 7. How much will be the 15 minus 7? We will be having 8 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 35 minus 17 is 80. Like this we are going to regroup so that we can solve the subtraction. Let's see the exercise. Exercise 5. First main, regroup the following. First question, they have given tens place and ones place numbers. Tens place and ones place numbers as 3 and 7. We have to remove the 10 from the tens place and we have to add it to the ones place. 3 tens is nothing but 30. That is 3 into 10 and 1 7 means it is 7. That is 7 1 is 7. So we are regrouping it as now tens and ones. We are shifting 10 to this. So it becomes 2. It becomes 70. We are removing minus 10 here. We will get 20 here plus 10. It will be added as 70. So 2 tens and 70 ones. Like this we have to regroup. We see the next question. How do we regroup 84? From 8 we are taking 10. That means from 80 we have to subtract 10. So 8 becomes 7. The previous number for 8 is 7, and if you are adding plus 10 for this 4, it will be 14. It will be 14. You are removing 10 and adding 10 to here. Next one. 50. Tell me the answer for the 50. You have to remove your 10. So 50 before 4. 5 before number is 4. And remove 10 is added to 1's place. 0 plus 10 will be 10. 0 plus 10 is 10. The next one. The number is 95. Now regroup 95. The tens place will be 9 before number is 8, and plus 10, 5 becomes 15. 1's place will be added 10, so 5 becomes 15. The same questions are given in the form of a fill in the blanks. Solve the fill in the blanks secondly. They are written in the form of a sentence, that's all. In the first line we have written in a box with the T as tens and O as ones. But here they have written in a words, that is 2 tens and 5 ones. They have regrouped the tens place. They have regrouped the tens place, that is 2 before is 1. They have regrouped 2 as 1. And 15 will be the answer for the tens place, right? 15 will be the answer for tens place. In the same way, the second one, 6 tens and 2 ones will give dash tens plus 12 ones. They have regrouped. 6 will be reduced to yes, it is 5, right? 6 before number is 5, and 2 will be regrouped to 12 ones. 2 is regrouped to 12 ones. Now answer me for second one. Next one, 9 tens and 4 ones. 9 tens and 4 ones. 9 will be regrouped to 9 before number in future. 9 before is 8 tens, and tell me what the 4 will be. 4 plus 10 is 14, right? 14 ones. So 9 before is 8 and 4 before is 14. Like this you need to regroup, and next 2 questions I leave it to you so that you can solve, and I will move on to the next topic, which is subtraction of the numbers with the help of this regrouping. Now we know how to regroup the numbers. I will directly move on to the next topic, which is subtraction of the numbers with regrouping. That is subtraction with regrouping. Exercise first question, tens and ones, 42 minus 18. As you can see, the number in the ones place, the numbers in the ones place are 2 and 8. Numbers in the ones place are 2 and 8. From 2, you cannot subtract 8. As we saw an example, from 2 we can subtract 8. So what we have to do here? We have to take the borrow. Borrow is nothing but regrouping. Regrouping is nothing but borrow. Borrowing from the tens place. Borrowing from tens place. So 4 becomes, 4 previous number is 3 and 12 will be regrouped as, so 2 will be regrouped as 12. 2 will be regrouped as 12. We have take 1 tens from tens place to ones place. Now we can subtract 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? 12 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. Can't start subtracting backwards from the 12. 12 before is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Alright, now 42 minus 18 is 24. Let's see one more question. Tens and ones, 63 minus 27. 63 minus 27. Here also if you observe the ones place, 3 minus 7. Which means we cannot subtract 7 from 3. We cannot subtract 7 from 3. What we have to do? Again we have to take the regrouping. 6 before number is 5 and that 1 we will shift it to ones place. So 3 becomes 13. 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 7. Again 13 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. We will reduce 13 minus 7 as how much? We will get 13 minus 7 is 6 and 5 minus 2 we will write 3. Correct? 13 minus 7 is 6 and 5 minus 2 is 3. If you want, you can check with your fingers and cross verify the answers. The next one is tens place, ones place, 75 minus 39. 75 minus 39. Here also take the borrow from the previous number. 7 becomes 6 and 5 becomes 15. 1 I am taking to the ones place, it becomes 15. So 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6 and 6 minus 3 is 3. Like this we have to solve the subtraction with taking the borrow. In the next class we will continue with the next sums and remaining sums which are left over in this exercise are homework for you. First do it in the textbook, then copy it to the notebook. That's all today.